Let's take the question number 137. The fundamental frequency in an open organ pipe is equal to the third harmonic of a closed organ pipe. If the length of the closed organ pipe is 20 centimeter, the length of the open pipe is, okay, in this what is given, that the length of a closed organ pipe and it is given that open organ pipe and third harmonic closed organ pipe both are equal. Okay, so let's find what is the closed organic pipe first of a third harmonic of closed organ pipe. That will be, let's take this at n, then this will be equal to 2 capital N minus 1 with its V as a volume divided by 4 of, let's take length of an open organ as L in this. So we will get N is 2. So the answer will be 3V, because 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 3, so 3V by 4 L. Okay, here we will take open organ pipe, that will be N is equals to, both are equal, so we are taking N is equals to NV by 2L. So this will be equal to V, in this N will be 1, in this N will be 2, because it is the third harmonic and we will take it as 2, and this is the open organ pipe, V by 2L dash. Okay, according to the question both are equal, so we will take this and this equal and we will compare it. If we will compare that, V will be cancelled to V and 2 will be cancelled to this and become 2, and our final will be L dash is equals to 2L by 3, and we will put the length of L. L is given is 20 centimeter, length of a closed organ pipe, and this is the L is the length of the closed pipe and L dash is the length of the open organ pipe. So the answer will be 13.33. So the nearest is this first one. So let's see what is the answer. Yes, the answer is 1, that is 13.2. Thank you.